How to delete message in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and say, for example, you wanted to delete this message right here. All what you need to do is you need to click and hold on the message till you get this pop-up menu list at the top, from which you want to click on the trash icon. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here that gives you two options: either delete for everyone or delete for me. So go ahead and choose whichever option suits you the best, but keep in mind that the delete for everyone option is there only for a certain period of time, and after that it will disappear and you will only be able to delete the message for yourself. And as you can see, once you click on the option that you have chosen, the message will be removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove a message on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.